Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open Notion and create a database to hold tasks. This is the container for reminders and metadata. In 3 steps, add a date property named Due, a Remind toggle checkbox, and a status select with To Do and Done. Click plus New to make an item, type the title, set the due date and time, then enable the Remind toggle so Notion can send a notification. Use 2 views: a table for fast data entry, and an agenda view filtered to the next 7 days to keep a daily focus. When you set a reminder, pick from the 3 built-in repeat options: daily, weekly, or custom to handle simple cycles. For complex rules, build a recurrence formula using date, add, and arithmetic, so you can schedule every 7 days or on the 15th of each month. Formulas update the due property automatically after completion. Alternatively, create a task template that duplicates itself and resets the due date, which lets you spawn a recurring task in 2 steps without writing formulas. Notion syncs reminders across desktop and mobile, so notifications appear on all devices. Native alerts work on iOS and Android when Remind is enabled. If you need calendar integration, connect Google Calendar using a 2-step Zapier or automate workflow to push Notion reminders as calendar events. Expect about 15 minutes to configure the automation. When a reminder fires, you can snooze, mark it complete, or check the status field to remove the item from your agenda and review completed tasks in an inbox view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.